This is our 75th year at Kirtilal's. It's going to be a milestone year for our organization, wherein we will be celebrating our 75 years of business. So we'll be celebrating our 75th year at Kirtilal's this year. It's going to be a milestone year for our organization. We are the key objectives for our 75th year is to, while further strengthening our core strengths, what we've had of customization, of the direct from the mines to the customer concept, wherein we are completely integrated. We have our own manufacturing for the diamonds, we have our own manufacturing for the jewelry, and we have our own in-house team of artists to create the designs. So in addition to this, we would like to reinvent our products and to come out with products which are required for today's customer. So the necklace collection launched today at Hyderabad is a very important milestone for the 75th year, wherein we are coming out with lot of new designs in all different type of styles, in modern styles, in traditional styles, to match the requirements of today's customer. We've made lot of chokers, long necklaces, short necklaces. Even Jadao jewelry, uncut diamond jewelry also we are bringing to Hyderabad for the first time. So this is all done to meet the requirements of the bridal customers today. We are having the price ranges necklaces up from 2 lakhs. Even above 1 crore also we have the necklaces. So there's a wide range of price range in the we are having all types of jewelry. Whatever is required is available. We have bangles, we have earrings, we have studs, pendants. So the entire range of designs is available. And of course now we are concentrating on the necklaces in this upcoming season, because it is now after Sankranti is the bridal season in Andhra. So we want to have the widest range of offerings available for the entire family for the bridal purchase. And in addition to this, we have also come out with the virtual lounge exclusively at Hyderabad store, wherein we've taken jewelry customization to a new level by bringing in a lot of cutting edge technology. We have our own app in the iPad, wherein the customer can come in and customize their own design, which is then they can put it on themselves and see what the jewelry looks like before ordering it. In the quality we have the higher quality what was available always, and now we've come out with a second quality as well, which is more in line with the budget requirements of the customers. So both the qualities are available in our store, but both the qualities are the top quality. You will not find a better quality anywhere else. For this price, we are the most competitive.